All right, what's going on, my overnighters, man? It's your boy JMO704, man. And look, man, I want to come on here real quick, give y'all a quick tip here, especially for a lot of my slimmer guys, man, like myself. Um, just being completely transparent with y'all, man. It has taken me a while to really kind of build up my size, and I've always been a skinny guy, always been a slimmer guy, and putting on weight has always been an issue for me. But I'm here to tell y'all that if you really want to put on size and if you really want to look bigger in your clothes, then one, you need to be eating a calorie surplus. Don't eat like a little bird, man, especially because we have a super high metabolism. And then two, you want to make sure that you are not neglecting your posterior chain. So meaning you are not neglecting your back, your traps, your lats, your rhomboids. All right. Because it's one thing to look big from the front, or what's really going to give you the illusion of having that size is from the side. So working your rear delts, your triceps, and then also, like I say, working your back, working your traps. So I'm gonna give y'all a quick tutorial on how I do my shoulder shrugs, because I see too many dudes in the gym doing shoulder shrugs all wrong. You know what I'm saying? You think that you gotta come here and just be doing the bankhead bounce. We ain't, we ain't, we ain't bankhead bouncing out here, man. We shrugging. We shrugging like we don't give a fuck. Shrug. All right. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna come here, arm shoulder width apart. Keep that chest up, and then come through. Shrug. Squeeze those traps. Control it on the way down. Control it on the way down. Control it on the way down. Oh, oh, oh. All right. So I just wanted to come on here real quick, show y'all how to do some shoulder shrugs so you can create that illusion from the back. You know what I'm saying? I ain't the biggest guy in the world, and y'all can clown my calves if y'all want to. Those black man calves, but it's all right though. I hope y'all found this tip very helpful. And if y'all want me to do complete back workout here on the channel, man, make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And also, man, before we get up out of here, man, I just want to remind y'all that if there's anything that you ever want to do in life, remember that it requires patience, consistency, and more importantly, it don't happen overnight. I'm gonna see y'all on the next video. Peace.